What it do, guys? We are back with another self-cut video. I'm gonna keep it simple today. I'm gonna do a little taper. We're gonna get it done. Gotta look fresh. The weekend's coming around. I'm not trying to look like a bucket. So let's get it started.
Yeah. We gonna bring up the energy just a little bit. Yeah. Hey. Yeah. Hey, it's West. Yeah. Hey. Look, I've been chillin' by the bayside. Keep a nigga with me, Lil Ricky on his wayside. I ain't never playing what they saying, where do they hide? I ain't never seen them even when I'm over they side. Keep a bitty with me and she pretty with a waistline. This ain't third base, she let me hit it from the baseline. Dark skinned nigga, but I'm pretty in the daytime. I don't say my name, I know they heard it through the grapevine. Tell your chick to leave me, I'm a dog, I'm a K9. Come on, but she can hit me on my FaceTime. Now I'm really working, she can hit me on my main line. Listen, they playing with me like it's game time. I don't never stop, it's like they cut a nigga break lines. Come on, and tell these bitches I don't play nice. I'ma grab the mic and I ain't never heard a stage fright. I ain't never heard a stage fright. Listen, I've been chillin' by the bayside. Keep a nigga with me, Lil Ricky on his wayside. I ain't never playing what they saying, where do they hide? I ain't never seen them even when I'm over they side. Keep a bitty with me and she pretty with a waistline. This ain't third base, she let me hit it from the baseline. Dark skinned nigga, but I'm pretty in the daytime. I don't say my name, I heard it through the grapevine. Tell your chick to leave me, I'm a dog, I'm a K9. Wolf, if we talking rapping, I could write a book like they shook, nigga. Hey, look, they shook, nigga. Half these niggas couldn't even write a hook, nigga, please. I'm the type to roll a hot spliff with a chick, bring a bad bitch down to her knees. She's gas tank sitting on E, but I still get to where I gotta be. Okay, I've been chillin' by the bayside. Keep a nigga with me, Lil Ricky on his wayside. I ain't never playing with they, where do they hide? I ain't never seen them when I'm over they side. Keep a bitty with me and she pretty with a waistline. This ain't third base, she let me hit it from the baseline. Dark skinned nigga, but I'm in the daytime. I don't say my name, I know they heard it through the grapevine. Tell your chick to leave me, I'm a dog. I'm a dog, I'm a K9. I'm a dog. What? Yeah, it's West. I'm just happy with another one. Yeah, we back. This is just Trey. Young West. Yeah. Have you ever been unhappy that you had to dream? Have you ever said you love him but you had to leave? Have you ever been so quiet that you had to scream? Have you ever been a liar? Have you had to cheat? Have you ever hated someone that you had to greet? Some of us were always tricked and never had a treat. Some of us were used to conflict, always had to beef. Co-op living got in trouble, we're like half the street, running like an athlete. Police coming for me, but my worst fear is what my mother doing if she catches me. Have you ever had depression, never felt alone? Lots of change and no one's called you since you left your home. Your girl has left you for a girl, but you accept your blows. You can't imagine all the demons that upset her soul. I guess it's love because you happy that she happy, even if you hate the fact she only happy because you let her go. Real as ever, I got a new girl, I'm tryna be the best so I don't fuck it up. But to keep it honest, I done had so many problems with my exes, had to tell my insecurities to suck it up. I thought I was done with trust, but I know there's no way to live. Besides, I know I wanted kids among some other stuff. Plus among some other stuff, I probably shouldn't judge, like I ain't never told a fucking lie for nothing or a cover up. Have you ever been unhappy that you had to dream? Have you ever said you love him but you had to leave? Have you ever been so quiet that you had to scream? Have you ever been a liar? Have you had to cheat? Have you ever hated someone that you had to greet? Some of us were always tricked and never had a treat. Some of us were used to conflict, always had to beef. Co-op living got in trouble, we're like half the street, running like an athlete. Police coming for me, but my worst fear is what my mother doing if she catches me. I was held to expectations, I was raised better. My mama fought for workers' rights to make her pay better. I never starved and I was loved and looked after. If they throw my ass in jail, I doubt the love could look past it. And my sister knows me better, had to grow together. It's the little things like sitting watching shows together. I know this rap, but nowadays I'm writing open letters about my life and how I'm searching for the golden treasure. How I hold the pressure.
And that's a blowout taper. Follow your boy. I'm making more videos. I'm out here. I'm in these streets. I'm not actually. I'm in the barbershop. Goodfellas. Holla at me.